I'm Don Shank. I'm an oncology chaplain at Provena St. Hospital. My wife, unfortunately, on Christmas Eve, fell in our apartment, broke both legs in the fall, was transported to one of the local hospitals, and was discharged from there. We were told was to be discharged from there within probably 3 days, which it was. And we were confronted with the choice as to where. And working in a Provena system, I was delighted to find out when we approached the door here of Pineview that it was a part of the Provena system. I immediately felt comfortable. More than comfortable, I felt God had led us here and that this was the place. And when I got inside and talked to the staff, I was even more certain that we had made the right decision. When I saw the symbol of the dove on the front door, I felt like I was home, and that I was part of the family, and that this was almost unimaginable how we could find a place like this that was basically within 3 miles of our home. And when I found out that I had access to this place, pretty much whenever I wanted to be here was unimaginable. So we were thrilled to find this place. Well, I guess my concept of many nursing homes or care facilities was that you basically let people sit and they kind of vegetate. And again, my experience as a pastor was that most care facilities do not have rehabilitative programs. What has really impressed me here is the extent and the qualifications that the staff brings and the expertise that they bring, because it's hard work. It's hard work for them. It's very hard work for them. And I often ask myself, I don't think I'd have the patience, I know I wouldn't have the expertise to work with many of the challenging situations that they have and do it as lovingly, as patiently, and as expertishly as they do. If I were asked what is the single word that would describe the care that my wife has received here, I would simply say the compassionate professionalism. It has been absolutely beyond what I could ever have imagined that would take place in a nursing care facility. There's something, I think I used the word feeling a part of the family when I came here. There is a sense in which as employees, even though we're part of a relatively large system, we are family. And while we're all in certainly many locations and many different facilities, there's still something about being a part of the system, and for me the theology that undergirds that, and the philosophy, the theology and the philosophy that I think really makes it a very special, and I'd use the word intimate, experience of being related to as part of the family. So I would highly recommend it for any employee.